show you how this just anchors in. It's got two little clips, where those clips need to get reset. You can see the three prongs right there. Here's the three prongs here. What we need to. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Magnet here that came out. Still here. And I'll show you how this just anchors in. It's got two little clips. Those clips need to get reset. You can see the three prongs right there. Here's the three prongs here. What we need to do is squeeze this in the middle, and this should have the three prongs here facing out as well. So what we gotta do is basically take this three prong one here, get it in on one side, and on the other side, what we'll do is kind of put the magnet so the magnet is out more. Okay. And now we can put the prong portions in first, all the way. In theory, it's only slightly tricky. Hands-free, that would help. It's not really necessary, but once you understand how this goes together, adding a little bit of silicone can be a little bit of extra insurance in between the magnet and the metal to make sure the magnet doesn't come back out. There we go. So we need to get those. Use my screwdriver here. Push the metal portion all the way in, and then now push the magnet in a little bit more. And now it's holding the prongs. In theory, now our magnet is fixed. Kind of a crazy little deal, but that's that. Now it's holding. All right, good to go. That's how you can fix it. Doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Living through the message, reading through a message, passing through a message, writings on the wall. Time and tribulation, so much abomination.